Welcome. If you've ever sent an email in a rush and immediately wished you could take it back, you're not alone. Today, I'll guide you through a super helpful feature in Gmail that can save you from sending emails you're not quite ready to share. In this video, we'll walk through the updated steps for enabling Confirm before sending in Gmail's general settings using your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Whether you're on Android or iOS, the steps are the same. Give the app a moment to load, and then look for the menu icon in the top left corner of your screen. It looks like 3 horizontal lines. Tap that icon. The menu will slide out from the side, presenting you with different options. Go ahead and scroll down until you find the Settings option. Tap on Settings to move to the next step. Inside Settings, you'll see a list of your email accounts. Right at the top, you'll also see something labeled General Settings. Tap on General Settings to access the main controls for how Gmail works on your device. Next, scroll down until you see a section labeled Action Confirmations. This area includes several options, but today, we're focused on making sure you don't accidentally send emails before you're ready. Find the option labeled Confirm before sending. You'll see a toggle switch next to this option. If it's off, simply tap it to turn it on. Once it's enabled, Gmail will ask for your confirmation every time you hit the send button. This extra step can be a real lifesaver, giving you a moment to review your email before it goes out. And that's it. With Confirm before sending turned on, you can catch mistakes before your emails leave your outbox. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference in your day-to-day communication. Thanks for watching.